Our hope compels us to act, to include, and to heal. Christian hope is not optimism about criticisms or circumstances, but certainty.
A church that walks only with the comfortable is not walking the road of the gospel. For Jesus consistently chose the company of those whom the respectable world had written off. And the synodal path finds its truest expression when it slows its pace to match the step of the slowest walker. Inclusion is not charity extended downward from the strong to the weak.